Hello and welcome back to Evil Exist.
Very interesting information from David Dotson, who is a church friend of the Wells. He said that Candus showed him and police a video of Summer swimming with her three brothers, allegedly on the 15th of June 2021. David said she showed him the video on the day that Summer went missing and H was not in that video. David went on to say that they went swimming earlier that day and the video was taken that day. He said that he had no information on where Grandma was. Candus did not post any videos of the boys swimming with Summer on the 15th. She told conflicting stories of their whereabouts on that day. Candus told Allie, who is H's mother, that the boys were at home cleaning. She then did an interview last week with Unmasked and said that the boys stayed at home because they like to play video games. The only video she posted on the 15th of June was of Summer swimming with H. Another very important piece of information is the basement door and whether it was locked or unlocked. The front door and basement door are the only ways to enter and exit the house. Summer's brothers told David that the basement door was locked. Candus confirmed that. My question is, why is Don saying that the basement door was unlocked? David did not know if the door could be locked from both the outside and inside. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.